Hi, this is Ann from ChristianOwned.com, and I'm showing you what I did at Dollar General. They usually have a mega clearance every 3 to 4 months, and when they have clearance on the detergents and paper products, that's really the best time to buy it because it's really dirt cheap. And add some coupons to it, you can really get a good deal. So looking at the tags on them, that's actually the clearance price. So they went 50% off that particular price. So half off on what you see on the tag. Anything that didn't have a tag, you can just let them scan it and then they'll tell you what the price is. So I'm going to give you some examples of what I paid out of pocket. Looking over to the left at the all, that was about $4 and some change. The gain, as you can see, originally was 8 something. With the clearance deal at 50% off, it was $4 and something cent. The all was $1.80. The dishwasher pack was 75 cents. That Ajax bottle was only 50 cents. The razors was about 90 cents. The slim trim razors, that was about $1 and some change. Looking over to the right at the Tide, the big bottle, the actual out-of-pocket cost was about $4. I had a coupon, $2 off, which made that a couple bucks. The little color items, those are little flashlights, those were 50 cents. Looking at the Hot Shot, the bug spray, that was like $1 and some change. The Snuggles, I think that was 2 something on that tag, but 50% off, that was $1 and something. So as you can see, a lot of stuff is just, wow, really dirt cheap. So next time they have a sale at Dollar General, which I said like is every 3 to 4 months, check it out and save big time. Go ahead and stock up when the stuff is really cheap. Thanks for watching.